This is what I followed off of the PDF. I
All
guess
right.
the Xeno one. I don't know if you want me to create a new one or just go off of this one.
Okay. So just show me the one where you got stuck.
Okay. I was doing the maintain source here.
Okay.
Here it says to pull up an Excel sheet that I saved, and I don't see an option where I can pull up an Excel sheet.
Open your Excel sheet.
Where it's just like a normal Excel sheet?
Yeah. No. You created a recording first, right?
Yeah, but where's the option to open up an Excel sheet?
No, you can't open it here. You open it outside. Open Excel. If you had opened when you saved it, you opened it once at least. So it should be one of the files coming in your history for Excel. So just open Excel first and go to see what sheets are open. Yeah, file. Nothing has been opened yet.
Maybe I didn't. Save
Did you remember to save it?
So that part it didn't. The PDF wasn't what I was doing on the software wasn't kind of this exact same on the PDF, like where it said it told me to click a spreadsheet. It didn't have the spreadsheet option on the
Yeah, it
software.
used to have a spreadsheet option, but now it didn't. So you had to choose text. Go back to the start and go to go up. Go to LSMW edit. Go to on top. Yeah, go to.
I'll go to.
Okay. Oh, nothing there. Go to system. Did you create the recording?
Yeah,
first?
hold on. Let me see, because I created it, but because I used the. Hold on, let me see.
Okay, go right out of this. Go right out of this. Go back. Okay. Enter now. Enter. Just press enter. Yeah. Execute. No, not execute. Enter the green bar. Okay. Now go to. No. Go back. Now go to recording. Now double click the recording which you made. All right.
Okay, and then
Now go to system. System. Yeah. List. Save. Local file. Yes. Text with tab. Give it a file. Change the directory to your desktop somewhere so it's easy to get. Change the directory first.
The file name?
The file directory on top.
Or this one?
Yeah. Choose your desktop. Okay. And
New fields. I just save?
yes.
And then do I
generate? Generate. Don't click this. Let it prompt you every time. Go say allow.
Okay.
Okay. Now it is saved.
Okay, this. Do I need to click it?
Yeah. You can open this. Okay. Open this in Excel. Go to open Excel. Go to Excel. This and go to all files, not Excel files. Go to all files. Change all Excel to all files.
Where?
Right under open and
Oh.
cancel. Yeah. Change that to all files. Yes. Now open fields. Say next. 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 Finish. Now take column J. Now click on column J and copy and create another sheet.
Another Excel sheet?
Only that plus sign at the side of fields, right down at the bottom. Insert a sheet. Yes. Paste. Okay. Now delete the extra columns, the rows which are blank. See, there might be more. No. There'll be more. Go scroll down.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to do for all.
Okay.
Then you copy this in over there.
Is there more? No. Okay.
No, not like that. Just copy. No, not you can't copy the whole thing. Just copy the selection.
Like this?
Yes. Just cover the exact selection. Now copy.
Oh, okay. Then go back to SAP.
Excel. Yes. Go back to SAP. Execute. Yeah. Paste. Control V.
Oh.
Okay.
This says.
Yeah. And now you have to put in the rest. Okay. Well, you can come out of this and you can do this, try this later. But now
I'll do this later. Okay, thank you. I'll do this later. Okay. So I stop sharing now?
Yeah, no, you continue. Just come out of this.
Okay. Okay, I do it.
I just set up Dunning also once. And go to your SPRO screen. Now go down to accounts, financial accounting, account receivable, accounts payable, business transaction. Now look for Dunning, basic settings for Dunning, define Dunning. Dunning, it's
Done.
up.
Little, yes.
Dunning.
The
basic settings for Dunning, yeah. Okay, now stop here. Let's do a short overview before we do this configuration, all right? Now, what was SAP Dunning? We had touched on it earlier when we did AR and AP. Dunning is the process of communicating with customers to ensure the collection of accounts receivable. So, how do we communicate with our customers? Communication progress from gentle reminders like, please note your payment is coming to its due date, or you're past the due date. It goes from these gentle reminders to threatening reminders, threatening letters, we'll take legal action against you if you do not pay, to phone calls, or you go to the location with a little bit less intimidating visits. So you go in, someone goes to the location with a more intimidating kind of visit. That is how we communicate to our customers when there are bills outstanding. So the laws of each country regulate the form Dunning can take. It is generally unlawful to harass or threaten consumers. It is acceptable, however, to issue a firm reminder and to take all allowable collection options. Now, dunning as a word, dunning is basically a very old English word. It goes back to the 17th century, where the verb done meant demand payment of a debt. That is what they call done. In old days, they wouldn't say you owed me. They would refer to it as a done. So let's look at SAP's functionality. In SAP, you can configure the SAP system to done customers as well as vendors. The system allows you to done business partners automatically. The system dumps the open items of business partner accounts in which overdue items create a debit balance. The dunning program selects the overdue open items, determines the dunning level of the account in question, and creates a dunning notice. The dunning you might have, say, one is overdue, the date it's overdue. The dunning level 2 could be if it's 30 days, 60 days overdue. That could be level 2. So the system will decide whether it's a level 1 dunning or level 2 dunning. The dunning program selects overdue open items, determines the dunning level in the accounts in question, creates a dunning notice. You can have, like, at first level, a very gentle reminder dunning notice. At second level, you can have a little stronger worded letter. At the third level, you can have something more strong. At the fourth level, you can issue a legal notice to the customer. So if you wish to use automatic dunning procedure, you have to make certain settings in the following places before the system can run dunning. First is in financial accounting IMG, in the master data of customers and vendors, and when you post a document. You have to have the information in these 3 places. So the following attributes control the dunning program. One is the dunning procedure. The dunning procedure controls how dunning is carried out in the system. You can define as many dunning procedures as you want. 2, you have dunning levels. The dunning levels are calculated based on the number of days open items are in arrears. You can also have the system calculate dunning levels based on the dunning amount or a percentage paid. You can determine more than one dunning level per dunning procedure. So you have dunning procedure, you have dunning levels, you have dunning areas. A dunning area is an organizational unit within a company code used for dunning process. Like anything else in SAP where we have seen, we have an organization structure, we have master data, and then we have transactional data leading to reports. So dunning also follows the same pattern. So a dunning area can be a division or a sales organization. You assign a dunning area to open items when you are posting them. You can dun items separately by dunning areas. All right. So that's where we are right now. So the first step is we will define dunning areas.
Okay, so
now you have an option of copying or going to new entry. If you're copying a dunning area, you can copy 001 and go to the copy command and change that to your company code and put dunning area 01. And no, before you enter, change the dunning default dunning area, change it to your company code. Say dunning area and say what is your company name. Okay, now enter again, save. Enter. With these ones have not been set up properly, so that's why you keep getting this message.
okay, that's
okay. So the first step you've done, you created a new entry. Now next step, go to define dunning keys, which is basic settings for Dunning. Now we will use this SAP standard, Dunning key 1, 2, 3. So we can use the standard or we can copy out. If you select that print SAP, the line items will be displayed separately. So we don't want that right now. So we are going to stay with this. The standard SAP keys are 1, 2, 3. We will use them because it triggers the maximum level of Dunning 1, 2, 3. So we will also stay with it. Now go back.
Then go to Dunning block reasons.
Define. Now, okay, define Dunning blocks. Why would you define a Dunning block? Suppose you have very good customers, you do not want to give them reminders, they pay well. You can exclude them from Dunning by just blocking them from the Dunning program. So just open define Dunning blocks. The first one, the reasons are already set up in SAP. There is actually no reason to add anything else here. Now go back. Click on the next one. Again, all set up with the SAP standard, so you can just use them instead. If you want to create your own, you can either go to new entries and create, or you can copy an existing one, rename it, and change it according to your requirements. Go back.
Okay. And then go back again.
Where are you now? Yes, go back again.
My computer is stupid. Let me exit.
Now you'll do define Dunning procedure. Click on define Dunning procedure. Yes, define Dunning procedure. So what will we do over here? You can click on new procedure. Okay, now enter your procedure which you have created in the previous one. Take the drop-down menu. Take the drop-down menu.
Okay.
And pick it up from here.
Do I click
anything? Okay, so enter your company code or anything you want as a procedure. Exit from this X. Okay. Now enter for.
Oh, but do I click whatever on the Dropbox, or do I just click put my company code?
You can actually what we do is you can pick up your, if you're only going to have one procedure, you can use your company code and attach it to your company code.
Okay. And I just save it, or do I add?
Now fill in the name, Dunning procedure, and work. Okay. Now number of days intervals. Take Dunning interval in days 1. Say number of Dunning levels, put it at 3. Total due items from Dunning level, put it at 0. Minimum days, now you can have 15, 30, 5, up to you. So we'll just use 30.
30?
Yeah. And a line item grace period, we'll put 0. You can put a grace period of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Standard Dunning transactions, you make sure it's ticked. Standard Dunning transactions, tick that. Yes. And in reference Dunning procedure text, put your company code name. You'll get some warnings over here. Ignore the warnings. Now enter and save. Save. Enter again. See the yellow warning you're getting is just a warning. Now save it. And go back. Or you can actually stay on this screen. So your message you got when you tried to save it was reference dunning procedure has 0 dunning levels. You can specify and fix charges, those kind of thing. Now on top of the screen you have charges.
Okay.
There's still error message.
Yes.
Still not entered.
This is, yes. I think those two not answer.
Dunning level data.
Sorry, what did you say?
There's still error message. Dunning level data still not been entered.
Has dunning level data has not been entered. Yes, we have to enter it. It's just a warning message. A green tick means it's not going to stop you. Now click on charges. Put the currency for your company code.
I think it's US.
USD American dollars. Select USD American dollars.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now what is this section about? When you are going to send people letters, reminders, follow-ups, the company is you're going to incur some cost. You can recover the cost from the person itself. So if you want, you can enter, if the dunning amount is say over 10,000, I will charge you $10. If it is 20,000, I'll charge you $20. Okay, so that these will be also printed. Now ignore this and click on dunning levels. Now in dunning levels over here, days in arrear 1, 60 and 90. Under 1 put 1. Dunning level 1, 1. Dunning level 2, you can say 60. Dunning level 3, you can say 90. Now come down to print parameters and always done in all 3 cases.
So 1, 2, 3.
Yes. And in payment deadline, put 000. Okay. Now when we come to the last one, we will not pick it here. Legal dunning procedure. As a rule, when you have taken someone to court and you're resorting to legal methods to recover your debt, you do not dun. So this option is legal dunning procedure. When you reach the 4th stage, you got 3rd. If you had 4th, which would be your legal stage, you would not want to dun anyone on the 4th stage because your lawyers will be sending them reminders. So you will say you normally don't dun them. But if you still want to dun a person despite sending them a legal notice, you will have to add over here, always done. Over here, we will not pick anything.
Okay.
Okay. Now save this and go back. Okay, now go to environment, right on top, environment. No, right on top, the menu bar. Yes, right on top, the menu bar, environment, utilities, environments. Yes.
Okay.
Go to company code data. And when you come to company code data, just go for new entry. And now put your company code there. And put the same thing as your reference company code. Save it and go back. Now in reference company code, put the same thing.
Oh.
Save it. Save. Yeah. Now go back. You'll have to go back, I think, twice. Okay, stop here. Now click on minimum amounts. Now over here, you can put the minimum amount you want. If the amount is less than $100, you will not done. If the amount is, if the 1% of a minimum percentage, like 1% of the total outstanding is overdue of a customer, you will not down. So we won't do anything here. So just go back and click on Dunning text. Put your company code in. Now we will just stick to a vendor will only very rarely do you have a debit balance in a vendor's account. Vendor is someone you have to pay. But in cases where like you have to pay a vendor advance and something has gone wrong and he hasn't delivered, then that vendor has a credit in his account and he technically a customer. So you might want to send him a notice saying, return my money. We will just go with customers. So just click on the tick and go back. Dunning notice, all right. So what will you do in Dunning notice? Take the drop-down field form menu.
Drop-down field
Right, the form is, yes. Go to the drop-down box. Okay, these are all the standard SAP forms are delivered in this menu. All right. Go to the first option, Dunning form. Yeah, and you click on that I sign, I.
Click on what?
Exit from this. You see the first icon? Click on the first icon. Yeah, no, yes. You see this form? We'll use this form. So it is FB 150 BE done _01. Make a note of this and then go back. Go back. And now put that over here. That which you had copied. It will be F150 _DUNN _01. Not BUNN. It's DUNN. DUNN will be in all caps.
Yeah, save.
Just hit enter first. Just pick it up from the bottom. Yes.
It disappears every time.
Put 1, 2, 3 first. One normal Dunning procedure, one, add one, first column. No, at the left-hand side of this. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Now the same, yes. Now come under this. Same thing, one in all three.
Yeah, enter.
Enter. Enter.
I'm pressing enter. It's not doing anything.
Enter and go back. Now click on special GL indicator. Now for special GL indicator, we will done down payments. You have an option of down payments.
Oh yeah, down payment current assets.
Yes, you can. If so, you can for customers, you can say I will done for down payments. Down payment request, a bank guarantee, a security deposit. These are the things you can also done for. So for now, just leave it blank and go back. Now save this. Save. Enter. And save again. Okay. Now this part is done. Open a new session now. Go back first to the. Okay, now open a new session. Now, earlier, if you remember, we had discussed that running is in, there are three places which you have to make settings. So now settings we've done the settings in Financial Accounting IMG. Now we are going to do the settings in the master data of your customer and vendor. So go to your customer, open and go to the customer master record. Go to the easy access menu. Easy access menu. In the new session you open.
Where am I going again?
Accounts receivable.
And master records.
And master record. And go to create and let us see what you have created. One of the master data you've created. So select your. Okay, come out of the screen and let's just display something which you have done. X. Go to display FD03. Okay.
So I'll go to the
choose the customer you've created. Put your company code. No. In the search box, put your company code. Take the drop-down menu. You have company code here, so you only want to search your own company code. Put your company code, and now start search. You have not created any master data
for the accounts receivable. I guess not.
Have you created any master data
with the AR with the accounts receivable?
Yes.
I don't know.
You completed your AR configuration, right?
Yeah, I should. I should have. Going through the configurations. Yeah, I completed that.
Oh, you did not create any master records, any transactions?
Oh, I'm going through that configuration right now. I'm on the business transaction before I start on the LSMW. So I haven't finished that one, actually.
Okay, go X and let's create one master record. Go to FD01. Okay, select the account group which you have created.
I selected. I know I did.
Open a new session. Oh, the last session is open. Go there. Go to your last session. Yeah, and now go to customer accounts. Customer accounts right on top. Yes, master data. Preparations for creating master data. Define account groups.
Screen layout.
Yes. Now see what account group you created over here. Sold to party. Okay.
Yeah,
all right. Now go back to that other screen.
Hey, you know, ZaranTech now offers SAP corporate training. That's right. Train your workforce in SAP with our comprehensive program. We offer customized courses, certified trainers, and hands-on labs for both individuals and businesses. Our standout features? Bespoke training, fully configured servers for practice, in-house materials, and a dedicated LMS. Plus, get session recordings and 24/7 support. From functional to technical modules, we have got it all. Choose ZaranTech for SAP training and watch your team excel. Learn, upskill, succeed with ZaranTech.
And select sold to party.
Oh, that's a bunch of them.
You might have put this internal numbering, so don't bother here. Just put your company code. Enter. Okay, title, put company. Okay, now create
Where's
one
it?
over here. Put the name or whatever you want.
Search term. I don't know. Maybe shit. I don't know.
Put your search term.
I don't even know what search term is.
Search term is basically the short which you can type in to do a search for. If you have 1,000 company customers, you want to cut down the time spent instead of scrolling to find it. You can just put a search term like Fortune will be port or something small. Fortune Limited will be port. So you just type this and it will take you there. Now put the postal code city first. Put the street house number. Give a street name.
Country.
US. Postcode. Put a postcode in because you made. Okay, region. Region.
What is region? That's the.
That will be the state in US. Okay, put the same postal code city in postbox address. Scroll down. Okay, put that also. Okay, leave the rest blank.
And do I save?
Company code data, go to next. Go to control data. Control data, next tab. Over here, we don't want the control account for vendors, nothing necessary. Go to payment transactions. Over here, you can put in their bank. We don't want anything here. So now go to company code data on top. On top. Yeah. Okay. Now put in the reconciliation account. That will be the GL account. Account receivable record. Yes, use that. Sort key. We take the date and document number. Document number fiscal year. You can take that. We don't want any interest calculations or anything.
Okay.
Okay. Normal when we fill it in, we will fill in like what is the interest calculation going to be. Now go to payment transaction. Okay. The payment terms we'll assign immediate payment terms to this customer. Just take the drop down menu. Yes. Payment method. Go to next. Down. The next section. Automatic payment transaction section. Go to payment transaction.
Oh, this one.
Yes. Payment method. We have created C, I think. Yes. So double click C. All right. Now go to correspondence. And under dunning procedure, put your dunning procedure.
Save.
So now we have, you can save your dunning procedure. So your customer 6005. No, you can come out now. It's created, no?
No, so
at the bottom of the screen, it is the number.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So now what you have to do is create a few more customers like this and enter some invoices against their name, enter it back date. So use the month of Jan. So the entry date will be Jan, the posting date will be also Jan. Backdate them both. So enter a couple of, create a few more of these vendors.
Do I do it right now?
Yeah, you can do it right now. Twinkle, you can take the screen. You can't test this because you don't have any data.
Okay, so right now you want me to create a couple more of these. What we just went through, you want me to create a couple more?
Create at least another 5 customers.
Okay.
And what you created was a customer or vendor LSMW.
Okay, that's with the done kind. That's what I just did, right?
Yeah. Now, what you've done is you set up dunning, but you have no customers and you have no data, transactional data to check your dunning. So
Okay.
you can come out of this screen now. What you can do is the LSMW for vendors, finish that. Against this customer which you created, enter a few invoices.
Okay.
So go back. Go back again.
So I just press exit if it won't let me go back.
Exit. Say yes. No, you don't want to go in again. You've gone in again.
Yeah.
Say no. Okay, now go to document entry and invoice and enter some against this customer, enter a few invoices, but
Okay.
backdated. So just pick up this. We'll do this fast. Go to
Okay, so
customer, choose the customer first.
We change the company code first.
Change company code
where's the,
from there only.
you change-
Go on top and you have company code there. Change the company code. Now go to your customer. Yes, take the drop down menu. Select this customer. Now the invoice date, put it as 9/1/2023, 09/01/2023. Change the posting date also to 01. All right. Amount put 1,000. Don't save now. 1,000. And now come to GL account. Write down. Yes. Pick up a GL account. This is a customer. So did you do any revenue sale account or anything like that? You haven't. So just put vehicles. Just electricity expenses. Take that. Okay. And go to leave the credit. Customer debit. Go to amount. Put 1,000. Okay. Now enter. Period 3 is okay. Say enter again. Enter again. Or the company code number range 18 is missing. You have not created all your number ranges. So before you save this, you have to create your number range.
number range in the account group, the defined account group.
If you click enter again, see the message or error message you're getting. What is the error message? Number range 18 is missing for the year 2023. So you have to go insert number range 18 for the year 2023 and then come back here and save this document. All right.
Okay. And the number range 18, that's in the defined account group, defined number ranges?
Yes, in defined number ranges.
Okay.
So defined number range and for number range for fiscal year, you have to make sure it is also there in both those places. You can take the screen next. Okay. Complete the dunning, make a fast dunning. You know how to do this now. Have you been able to keep on top with us over here?
Yeah, I've been watching.
Accounts receivable, payables, yes. Business transactions. Dunning area, put 01 before you go. In the middle, you have company code, area, test. You haven't put anything in Dunning area. Yes. Put 01 there. And now save it. Dunning notes not okay. Enter again. Save. Enter.
Well, do we have to define more Dunning areas?
No. Just one. Define Dunning keys. We use the SAP standard, so it's all right. Go back. And define Dunning block regions. We won't do anything. Just have a look at what's over here and go back. Next, we'll go to define Dunning procedure. And this is where you'll create a new procedure. So you can have an option of copying from one or creating a new procedure. Just create a new procedure. So that will be 3-level Dunning, you can say. 3-level Dunning for your company every month. 3-level Dunning. And put your company code there. Okay. So Dunning interval days 1, number of Dunning intervals 3. Total items will be 0. Minimum days in arrear 30. And line item grace period 0. Standard Dunning you'll tick. Standard Dunning, yes. Reference Dunning area, put your company code only. And you can click on save, you'll get that error message. Ignore it because that will happen a little later. Enter again. Enter again. Make sure the enter again. Now save. Now go back. Yes, charges. Click on charges. Put your currency. We won't put anything over here. Just click on enter. And next, click on Dunning levels.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Dunning levels 1, 2, 3. So the first one will be 160.90. Or you can put 130.90, up to you. 30.60. Then always done, you select all 3. Payment deadline, you'll put 000. Or you can save this and go back. Then click on company code data. Save it and go back. Save, enter. Okay, now go back. So we want company code data. So company code data you'll find in environment. So click on environment, company code data, and go to new entries. Put in your company code there. And reference company code, put that also in.
Do I check any of these? Or?
No. Checking in, yeah, by Dunning area, by Dunning level, click both, tick both, and save. Now go back and go to minimum amounts. We won't be doing anything here. We just save it and go back. Now minimum amounts, just enter and go back. Nothing, we won't enter anything here. You can enter $1 or $10 or something here if you want. Go back. Okay, now we will go to dunning text. Put your company code in and make sure customers are ticked. Okay, running. So you have 3 procedures I think you built. So 1, 2, 3 first. No, the first, the I sign, yes. Just note this form. Yeah, this is the form what we'll be using. Go back. Make a note and go back. Okay, now in normal dunning procedure, you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 dunning levels. No, 1, 2, 3, 1 below the other. The area is 1. You just created one area, right? 1, 2, 3. Dunning area is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Because that's, take it from the drop-down box if you want. Yes. And same thing for
It was
150, F150 BE done DUNN 01 underscore 01. Okay. Now, what is F150? F150 is the transaction code for the user will enter when he wants to do the dunning program.
Okay.
Okay. And same thing, all 3. And save it. Enter first and save. Go back and save. 1, 2, 3. Just click back once and then save. Now save. Running charges have been entered here. That's okay. Enter, enter, enter. When you get a warning message, you have to go past it. So you just click enter and agree to it. Now double click your, yeah, double click, yes. And now go to special GL indicator. And yes, you can, for customers, you can, what will we do? We will, we'll guarantees, we will check. Security deposits, we will check. And down payment request, you can check. Now save this. Enter and save it. Go back. Save. Now go to your customer master record. Change. Go to change. Choose your customer. Okay. Just take the first, your at, don't China, that is right. Take a Atlanta one. Okay. Now go to company code data. and go to correspondence. And now put your dunning procedure here. Okay, save it. This is, you remember this, does this go back now? And go to FBL5N, FBL5N. Customer line item display, open items, okay. Execute. Nothing has been created for this. Just remove the customer and execute this time. So which is this customer that has something okay. Come out of this. Out of this also, go to FB60, the accounting entry, document entry. No, up, one up. Yeah, FB70, sorry, yes. Now, you remember the customer you had just changed and gave a dunning procedure to? Choose that one. Yes. Okay. Just check your company code to make sure you have the right company code. Just change this to backspace it. Just put a backspace, you should pick it up, yes. Now put this date as 9th of Jan, 09/01/23. Put 1000, let's take 1000. Save it. You'll get a few warning messages, but it'll allow you to save. Enter date format. Enter again. Okay. Now go back. Exit, exit. Now go to F150. F150 is the T code for dunning. You can also go down. So run on, take today's date. Today's date. Just enter today's date. Give some identification, TT01 or something. Identification. This is new. You'll be doing for the first time. So you can put done one, DUNN1 or Okay, enter. Now go to parameters.
Please do not use
Parameter tab. Okay, now put the running date for today. Put the document posted also today's date. Put the company code. Put the customer, yes. Okay, now go to additional log, and put the customer over there also. All right, now go back to status. Say yes. Now go to schedule. Just click cancel. Oh, LOC, 1 OC, normally they have a training. Okay, go to immediately. And schedule. Execute schedule. Click on enter and refresh it. Okay, now go to Dunning list. Go to log first. Log. Some Dunning history log. Not print log. This log. At the side of print log. 1 Dunning notice generated and 1 to be sent. So yours was successful. Go to log. At side of Dunning history is a log. Just up a bit. Right hand side. Yes. Go down that line. Go right down. Go to right. No, not those tabs on top. The menus up.
Oh, okay.
Not so high. Yes. Now come to log.
Log.
Go right
So
towards log. Yes.
Okay, sorry.
And if you look over here, your Dunning run is successful. Okay. Now you can try putting some forms, attaching some forms to it, and then you will get a printout. Now go back and go to Dunning, individual Dunning notice. Just see if they have a local setup for you on the. Usually they have a test L something printer will be set up for. Go down to L. Okay, nothing there. Okay, go to Dunning list. Go to Dunning list. Cancel this. Cancel. And go to Dunning. Exit from this. Just enter. And here is what your account has been done. That means you have actually set up your Dunning correctly. All right. So once you set up a form, it will be the address, everything will be fitted in. And this is the information that will come up. Nice work, Twinkle. Okay, you can go back. All right, I'll just take a short review from everyone's work so I can decide what we've gone through all the customization that needs to be done. We've gone through all that. You all have the documents to do it. Now it is just to test your configuration.